Alright friends, welcome to another unboxing. Well, in this case kind of an unbagging. So I picked up some garage tool organizers. Goodness, some tough plastic there. Basically you've seen these before, mop and broom holder, anything kind of with a handle. That's pretty stiff there. Looks like it'll hold pretty good. So that's the deal right there. I got a 3-pack of these, picked them up off of Amazon for around 12 bucks or so. They look pretty sturdy. Look to be stainless steel with some kind of like maybe silicone or rubbery wheels here, and then a little stopper on the back there. It's got a 3M foam sticky on the back, so you should be able to just stick it to a wall or something and hold your tools. I will be doing an install video and also, a demonstration. I'm not exactly sure if it's probably supposed to be sticking on the wall like this with the metal face pointed down would be my guess. It would seem like that would give it more leverage as far as staying on there, but we'll see. So yeah, appears to be well constructed, heavy duty stainless steel. And I think these will work great for my garage. I have some miscellaneous tools that are just kind of hanging out there, and it'd be nice if I could just put them up on the wall. So I'll leave a link in the description below, and we'll be doing a review video and a demonstration here shortly. So thanks for watching this unboxing. Like I said before, this is a 3-pack, so we got 3 of these bad boys. So yeah. Alrighty, my friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day out there. Okay, so today, friends, I am installing this wide home mop and broom holder on my wall here. So I'm going to peel off this 3M tape. I'm going to set it right about there, I think. And I think, I'm not sure how long I have to hold it on here for. This 3M's tape's pretty burly, I think. Oh, so it's a nice little stainless steel there. I think once it's on there, right? Okay, so here comes the true test. I get my broom here, put it right there, and it's holding it. All right, what about coming out though? Well, look at that. All right, my friends, so that'll hold definitely sturdy. Back this off a little bit so you guys can see. So now my little broom is nicely nestled there between the garage door. So alrighty, my friends, that is that. The setup was pretty much as easy as just taking the backing off and sticking it on there. And that thing is appears to be really sturdy. It actually looks pretty cool. It's a nice stainless steel, some metal, so yeah, pretty impressive. So very easy to set up and works fairly good. I mean, it's holding the broom, so there we go. All right, my friends, thanks for watching this little review / demonstration video. I'll be putting a link to this product in the description below. You can pick it up from Amazon. I got a 3-pack for around $12, I think. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Okay, well, one more thing real quick on these. You can separate them because they're really tight at first. You can bend these out if you have like a wider handle. So I hung up 2 more over here, working great. So you can see it's a little bit wider handle on this shovel, and it wasn't going in there. So you just bend it out a little bit, and and they work perfectly. So those are holding nicely. I got my push broom up there, and it looks pretty slick up there. So I can't really think of anything else right now, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this review up. Nice little product, definitely a bonus, and help me organize my tools in the garage here. So everyone have a great day, and we'll see you next time.